Andria, and just had a shop owner stop me and say, "Where are you from?" I said, "Los Angeles, but we live in Benevento." Her boss came over and he goes, "Why you do this thing?" I told the shop owner I do it for, the peace and tranquility and the nature. I have to stop, put on sunblock, and take this sweatshirt off because it's already 68 degrees. And it's just going to get warmer. Today we're only doing 15 kilometers, so it should be fairly quick. The girl shop owner looked at me with like smiles and excitement, and the other guy looked at me like I was just plain crazy. And yes, the poppies are everywhere. You hear my bells. I have 2 bells on. One tiny little cowbell here and a big jingle bell on the back. I don't know why I did it. I don't know why. I like the jingle. Alright, the entire trail is flooded right there. So I'm gonna jump into this private property and hope for the best. One, two, three, four, five. Trees and olive groves on each side. Luckily I have a nice cloud cover today. It's a little breezy and it's not too hot. Walking down olive tree groves, and we saw some more trulies. Aren't they? That last one was gorgeous. Uh-oh. There's a tractor coming up. Huh? Francigena. Sì, buongiorno. che ore sono? Just want to know what time it was. I got into some pretty hairy stuff there when I couldn't map myself to Chris here. And I was using like Google Maps to map to Chris. Actually, you know how you have Find My Friends and you can just map to them? That's what I was using. And it took me that way. So I went the wrong way a couple of times because I couldn't cross that highway. So then I went to go plug my phone in because I was down under 20%. And because my water bottle leaked onto my phone, it said I can't charge because there's water detected on your lightning cord. All this stuff. What else can we pile on this pile of crap? I'm sure there's more we can pile on. See a bridge. I'm gonna get over this. Okay, this is the barrier that has prevented me from getting any closer to Chris for the last half hour. But I did the right thing. I mapped it back to the Pilgrim's Trail. I'm actually on it.